had a dog, he would be cleaning that up for us right now.
Guys, we've been over this. I know that puppy you saw last week was cute, but...
I beg your pardon.
Cute is not a word that even begins to describe what that puppy was.
He was like Shirley Temple stuffed inside a teddy bear, stuffed inside that kid from Jerry Maguire.
We can't have a dog. Dogs are expensive. The food, the bed, the Halloween costumes.
Also having a dog is a lot of work, and you kids hate work. You never do any of your chores. Nope. Floss.
Yeah, hey, weren't we gonna start using a chore wheel?
That's right. Whose chore was it to make the chore wheel?
Not me.
Not me.
Not me.
Please, please, please let us have a dog.
Please.
Wow, that was good harmony, but no.
Okay, we didn't want to have to do this, but we drew some pictures of the family. Gene,
Here we are, dogless.
note how gray and empty we all look.
What am I holding?
You've got a knife and you're gonna stab Dad.
Oh, yeah.
And here we are with a dog.
Ooh, I look good.
Yep, the sun is shining. Look at the light. Look at the color.
Who's the other woman?
Mom let you get another wife. You met her when you were out walking the dog.
Her name is Susan. She's a homeopath.
I like Susan.
So, can we get a dog?
No.
Poor Susan.
Now I'm afraid I'm gonna stab you.
Wow, that's a long line.
Yeah, what is going on over there?
Look, now serving brunch and all you can drink Bloody Mary Maris.
Hey, Bob, I see you got a huge line outside your restaurant. Oh, wait. Oh, that's me.
Only we do! Oh, that's very funny, Jimmy.
Yeah, it's called brunch, Bob. Read about it.
Why don't you read about it?
Yeah, here, read this.
He's talking about his butt like it's a book.
Hey, don't explain it.
Just clarify.
I'm going inside now, so have fun.
There's no line. You should get right in.
Stupid Jimmy Pesto. Not many people really go to brunch.
Yeah, families, young people, big groups of girlfriends who all just broke off their engagements.
Maybe we could do brunch. We already serve food.
Well, I do love cooking eggs.
It could be fun. And so I said, I don't get hungry, I get fun-gry.
Oh, honey, if you're hungry, I'm fun starving.
I like dating.
Check, please.
Let's do it, but I get to be the carry.
Mom, you're the Stanford Blanche, and you know it.
Linda, you wouldn't be going to the brunch, you'd be working at it.
Oh, right.
Sucks for you, Mom.
You kids would be working too.
Yay.
Oh, we'd love to, but we have to go to church.
But look at that line outside Jimmy's. We could really use the money.
For a dog.